Okay, so I'm gonna talk a little bit about some of the other animations that you can do with the new Themeable Big Blue. This stuff is pretty cool. So look, okay, so here we're gonna start with this Friday the 13th thing, right? Right now, we just have some animation frames. We have an animated Blanca, we have some animated blood dripping. But let's get really crazy here. Let's start, doing some more weird stuff. So if we go into Blanca, so here are Blanca frames of animation, but let's start doing some stuff like let's start animating, the position of Blanca here. So so this animation is saying, we're basically just doing X axis there, and this Blanca image is 109 pixels wide. So what we're going to do is we're going to start the animation at negative 109, and we're going to end it basically after the Blanca sprite is all the way out of the screen. Um, and let's start him off at negative 109, so he starts off screen, so he doesn't jump around at the beginning, and let's see what we get here. So see, so now you have an animation. Blanca is moving from left to right, and he is, you know, he's both he has both animation frames and he has movement frames. And notice the pause works. The pause pauses it, all that. Okay, but let's say, all right, that's fine. What if we want to also do a y-axis animation? So here we're going to say it's from basically the top of the screen to the bottom of the screen, and this is also going to loop. And let's see what that gets us. And actually, let's this thing is going to be because it's this tall. It's 153 tall. We're going to start at the top, so we'll make it 153. That'll be the starting Y position for this guy. Now we have a diagonal animation because now we're animating it both on the X and Y. And you could see like all the crazy crap you could do with this. I mean, this is really flexible. You could do all kinds of stuff with this, and once again, I want to emphasize you can animate any object in the theme like this, even the game list, even the preview of the item, this preview that we're seeing here. Every object in the theme can be animated. Okay, so that's fine. So, but let's get even crazier though. What else can we do that's even crazier? You can actually change the opacity of the thing. So here we're saying we're going to start Blanca off being completely solid, and we're going to animate him until until he's invisible, and we're going to do it, at this speed, and let's see what we get here. So now he's fading in and out, and he's also diagonally animated, and it's looping. So just imagine all the effects that you could do with this. You could have like a transparent ghost that pulsed in and out. You could do like all kinds of crap, and you could tweak the animation speeds. Let's make them pulse a lot faster, and see what that effect looks like. So now Blanca is pulsing a little bit faster, in and out. I mean, you see how powerful this crap is? It's crazy, man. You can do all kinds of stuff. Um, yeah, it's very powerful. Okay, so now let's get even crazier here. Okay, so right now we have this Friday the 13th image is the background. So let's see what happens if we take this Friday the 13th layer and we just get rid of it. So now we're starting with this black background. We have these other things, we have these other objects, they're still there. But let's say that we want to do something more abstract. Let's say that we just want to have like colors. So we can put in a layer that is basically just a color. And so we can say that this background color is what's going to show here. So now we have this kind of, light background color, and that's our, color for the theme. But we're going to get even crazier now. So let's say that we want to animate the background color. We can do that. We're going to animate it from this puke color to like a puke green. And see how you have this animation? The animation type is color. This is its duration. And it goes from this color, the starting color, to this nasty green. And we're looping it. And then let's see how this looks. So now the background is actually animated. And so I just want to emphasize too that this is all completely configurable. You can have an arbitrary number of layers. So you could have just a box, just one small portion of the theme that is a color and is animated, and you can do all kinds of... I'm saying really, you can do almost anything you can think of with this. I'm running out of hard drive space on my C drive, so I'm going to end it short. But I just want to emphasize, too, that you can do rotation on all of the objects. You could even animate rotations. You could have spinning Blanca. Really, you could do so many things with this. It'll be kind of interesting to see, what people end up doing, with this thing. So let's just, here, basically we're just saying this is the alpha. This is red, this is green, and this is blue. Let's make it red just to, just demonstrate how the pulsing will change. See how we're pulsing to red now? Yeah, I'm telling you, it's crazy. And once again, you can adjust the speed of these animations all independently from one another. Everything can be at a different speed. See, now it's pulsing a little bit faster. You gotta be careful not to give yourself, epilepsy with these things, because if you made it really fast, you could really freak yourself out there. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way this thing is shaping up. You can just do all kinds of things. It's pretty crazy.